Hello, it's your boy Miguel from the Mobile Computer Repairs, 757. We're just going to do something quite simple. The purpose of this video is we're going to show you if there's any programs, where you can find them if you think there's a program that should not have been installed on your account, or to find out when it was installed. All you have to do is click on this right here. It might be in this corner or it might be in the middle. You come to the control panel, which I've already been there, so we're gonna, you can type it up here. Right here, you can type it right there. I'm gonna click on control panel, and we're gonna look for programs. Everything is in alphabetical order, you can't miss it. If you do not see these options, come to this icon right here and click on large. If you click on small, this is what you're gonna see. Nobody wants to see that. You wanna click on nice and large, and we're going to click on programs. But this will tell you every single thing that's ever been put on this computer at this present moment. If you're in doubt when it was installed, all you have to do is slide over and it says installed. 100% installed. So we're going to see if there's anything after I've done this computer. This computer was infected, and there is nothing on this computer that I have not put up there or it came with the computer. If you see something you do not like, you just right click on it and you click on install. You cannot install more than 2 things at a time, only one. The computer is not going to show you every single thing because there are hidden folders, and if you try to uninstall that, you're going to mess the computer up, so it protects itself, and I'm not going to show you how to do that. So if you want to turn something off, you'll come right here and click on it. I'm not going to turn anything off because this is what making the computer run. If you decide to click off the printer thing, for example, or this right here, this next net framework, you're not going to be able to install anything. If you come and keep coming down here to print PDF or just hit the print and take anything that says print, you're not going to be able to print. So just leave that alone unless you know what you're doing. But the point of my story is, if there's anything up here that's been installed or malware that got on there and installed it, or viruses, it'll be mostly like right here. Also, the very next thing, very important. So if you have a bunch of stuff that's running and you cannot stop it, you come right here and you hit taskbar. Task manager. It's right there. This right here will allow you to stop whatever it is. For instance, I'm not going to stop anything, but we're going to right click on this and you hit end task. Know what you're doing, because if you stop something that's important, well, the computer's not going to run right. So if you have a program that's going crazy, you can come right here and do that. We're going to do this one more time. We're going to come right here. It's already right there, but we're going to do it like it's beginning. And you're going to click task, and it'll populate itself. You come right here. And then right here, if I want to stop, let me find something that I want to stop. Malwarebytes, don't stop that. We're going to stop the Logi options, and you will hit that right there. Sometimes it'll be in so many, you're going to have to stop all of them, but the main one you stop, you just right click and you hit end task. I'm not going to do any of that stuff, but you can see everything that's running, how much memory is being sucked up and what's going on. Also, if you want to know, and there's a repair guy like me coming over and you need to let us know some information, you just type on system information. You click on it, it tells you everything that you need to know. What is your operating system? Everything. It also tells the devices, the time zones, your physical memory, your virtual memory. You need virtual memory to get stuff back to you real quickly. It tells you about your motherboard. It tells you about the manufacturer, all this stuff. If you want to update your computer, and let's say you did, first of all, we need to know what kind of processor you have. what kind of computer, and then you start looking for the memory that will be used for. And she has 12 gigabytes of memory, so she wanted to upgrade. She already knows how much she has. This will give you a lot of information. We're going to do this one more time. I like to do things twice. You click again. We're going to do it like we started. System information. So if you want to upgrade your own computer, you have all the information sitting right here, right in front of you. Very important stuff. And everything that's very important to do what you need to do. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.